Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon. I'm just going to be reviewing some notes on functions. We just started learning about this week. So hopefully these notes get all your thoughts and all your ideas gathered together to help you on the classwork. So a relation pairs inputs to outputs. So you can have a list of ordered pairs, or you can have a mapping diagram when we're talking about a relation. So ordered pairs is something that you're probably familiar with. You'll probably see like 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. And I'm sorry about the noise. So these ordered pairs can also be interpreted in a mapping diagram. So here is where I would have my input, and here's where I'd have my output. And you can draw like this rectangle or like a circle. And all of your inputs will go first. And all of your inputs are these that I'm about to mark in blue. So if I input the number 0, my output will be the number 1. 0 goes to 1 if you look at my first ordered pair. If I look at my second ordered pair, 1 maps to 2. 1 maps to 2. And then 2 maps to 4. So if you were given an ordered pair, a list of ordered pairs, you could make a mapping diagram. If you were given a mapping diagram, you could just list the ordered pairs, and the ordered pairs in order would be 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. One thing I want you to know is that these are the inputs, or the input values, and then 1, 2, and 4, these are your output values. So you always write the input first, and then you write the output. So let's say you have an example like list the ordered pairs of the mapping diagram, and they give you this mapping diagram. If you see that, look at your inputs, you have 4 inputs and 4 outputs. So you can actually start writing them in as ordered pairs. So your first ordered pair would be 1, 3, because when you have an input of 1, you have an output of 3. Your next ordered pair, just put another comma. Your next ordered pair, remember when you start an ordered pair, you have a parentheses. Your input is 2, your output is 6. Oops. So 2, 6, and then close the parentheses. Now your next ordered pair would be, put another comma, 3, 9. This input of 3 gets you an output of 9. And lastly, your last input value of 4 has an output of 12. All right, so our second example shows us a list of 3 inputs and 4 outputs. 0 goes to 0. 0 goes to 0. So if I were writing that as a ordered pair, it would be 0, 0. My second input has an output of 1, but it also has an output of -2. So if I were listing those as ordered pairs, I would say 2 goes to 1, but 2 also goes to -2. And then my last one, 4 goes to -3. Now the question here is this a function or not? If we looked at our first example, every input has exactly 1 output. Every input has exactly 1 output. So this relation is a function. And I'm going to put B/C because each input has exactly 1 output. But if you look at our second example, the input of 2 has 2 different outputs. And the 2 different outputs are 1 and -2. So, or we're going to put therefore. Therefore, this relation is not a function.